Today I'm gonna install a stop case because I'm kind of sick puppy and I need my storage space. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do on my new Versys 1000 SE. Stay tuned. Now this is the lock insert. So, which as you can see the key goes in, but this here is empty. All the very small springs, all those different sizes, tiny metal plates, and they need to be matched to the grooves in your key. Now I give you just the idea. For example, those tiny metal plates, they are different sizes. They basically, the small spring goes here in this hole. Those little plates has to go like that. And as far as I remember, when you push it, it's clicked and it stays there. So basically that's the job. This is how it looks like when it's done. And when you put the key in, they go inside nicely, so everything is nice and round. I don't know if you're gonna see it, I will try to show you. If you look at those, see? So that's the way to do it. And when I'm already busy with it, I'm gonna do it as well for the side cases, side panniers. So I have 2 more inserts. Next thing is to change this to this. Now, that was quite easy. Okay, it's closed. And it's open. Next, I have to install the backrest, which goes in here like that. Some screws and some spacers. Basically they go here. I have to drill 2 holes here. And as you can see, I hope you can see, those little dots, it's exactly when you have to make a hole, and you're gonna get exactly here in the middle. Next thing I have to do, I need to switch these plates. This one have to be removed, and yeah, so like that. It's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. These big screws, anti-theft screws, they have to be replaced. So it's those 2. Now it looks like I have a problem with the lock. Let's just put it on and get there. So I think I have to remove a little bit here. Let's see if that's gonna help.